Hello everyone, my name is Laksha. I am a student of first year, branch Computer Science and Engineering. My product is refrigerator. My company name is HA. Name of the product after modification. Frost IQ. My company logo is given below. Feedback collected during empathy. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activities. Limited storage organization, inefficient cooling in certain areas, high energy consumption, lack of real-time inventory management. Define and ideate. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customer, many new features are to be added to the existing products. Modular storage trays. Our new fridge model introduces modular storage trays that can be adjusted or removed to fit items of various sizes. Additionally, labeled detachable compartments for specific food groups ensure better organization. Smart airflow technology. We have implemented smart airflow technology which distributes cold air evenly across the fridge and ensures every corner of the fridge maintains consistent cooling. AI-powered energy optimization system. The upgraded fridge comes with an AI-powered energy optimization system which adjusts cooling based on usage pattern. For example, it reduces power consumption during periods of low activity like at night without compromising performance. Built-in smart camera and app integration. Our fridge features a built-in camera and app integration. It captures images of the fridge's content and provides real-time inventory updates. The app also sends alert about expiring items and even suggests recipes using available ingredients. In this fridge, you can see all the features mentioned in the previous slides. Modular storage trays which are not usually not available in a normal fridge. You can see the smart air flowing technology through which provides sufficient cooling inside the fridge. This is the energy dashboard which provides energy and due to which the power consumption will be less. Inside the fridge, there are inbuilt camera through which you can find the products inside the fridge easily through your mobile phones. Testing. Some of the tests during the fridge management are performance and cooling test, energy efficiency test, noise and vibration test, durability and life cycle test, environmental stress test. Thank you.